A federal judge now says Tennessee cannot execute Edmund Zagorski unless his lawyer gets to a phone during the final minutes of his life. The judge's order says the state must allow Zagorski's lawyer to have immediate access to a telephone during the time preceding and during the execution. State attorneys had fought against the request. Zagorski's attorney argued it was vital so she could alert a judge if something went wrong. Now officials must grant access in order for the execution to proceed as scheduled on Thursday. Zagorski is on death row after being convicted of murdering two men back in 1983. And new this morning,